I use the Sewtech 5x7 magnetic hoop every day. I work through many pieces, so I need something that keeps me moving. This hoop helps me swap fabric fast. I set the base, lay the fabric, drop the magnets on top, and I'm ready to stitch again. Magnetic hoops protect my fabric. I don't get that ring or that burn around the surface from traditional style hoops because the 8 magnets help keep it in place. The fabric stays smooth and clean. The magnets hold with a steady grip so my stitches stay sharp and the design stays lined up. I have used traditional hoops for many years, but magnetic hoops keep my workflow simple. This one feels strong and easy to handle. It keeps the fabric tight without forcing me to stop and adjust anything during a stitch. If you work through many orders or want a cleaner finish, this hoop makes the whole process faster and more consistent.